Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF using a digital signature certificate. A digital signature certificate, or DSC, is essentially your secure online identity, much like a digital ID card. It ensures that your electronic documents are authentic and have not been tampered with after you sign them. To begin, you will need your physical DSC token and a suitable PDF application, such as Adobe Acrobat, installed on your computer. Now, let's prepare your document for signing. First, open the PDF file you intend to sign using your preferred PDF software, like Adobe Acrobat. Next, locate the Tools menu, usually found at the top or side of the application window. Within the Tools section, find and select the Certificates option. Before proceeding, make sure your digital signature certificate token is properly inserted into your computer's USB port. With your document open and DSC connected, it's time to apply the signature. From the Certificates toolbar, click on the Digitally Sign option. Your cursor will change, allowing you to click and drag to draw a rectangular box on the PDF where you want your signature to be placed. A window will then appear, prompting you to select your digital ID. Choose your certificate and enter the associated 4-digit or longer PIN for authentication. After successfully entering your PIN, the digital signature will be applied to your PDF. It is crucial to save the document immediately to finalize this process. Once saved, the signature's validity can be easily verified by anyone opening the PDF, confirming its authenticity. Often, the document becomes read-only after being digitally signed, which is a security feature preventing any further alterations and maintaining its integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.